Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Alma Abandante Espino, 34 years old, single. I am high school level.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family here in the Philippines.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
I have a work experience abroad in Oman for 2 years and 1 month.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities to my employer are taking care of children, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, car washing, washing clothes, gardening, and marketing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
I taking care of children, like 1 year old and 2 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I taking care of them by feeding, changing diaper, assist them to change their clothes, and sometimes I play with them.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skills are I can cook Filipino food and I know how to cook Arabic food and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. And I know how to cook and I know how to taking care of pets like dog and cat.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Are necessary to be as good a domestic helper are honest, loyal, flexible, trustworthy, and hardworking person.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
To, to, all, to my future employer, Sir, Madam, please choose me or select me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, honest, flexible, hardworking person. And I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.